Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to zoom in PowerPoint. First, go to PowerPoint and open your presentation. Then go to Insert and click on Zoom in the links group. Here you have Summary Zoom, Section Zoom, and Slide Zoom. Let's select Summary Zoom. First, the slides already selected are the first slides of each section. So you can just add the first slides of each section to make it easier to navigate between the sections, or you can even add more slides. So after selecting, I will uncheck the first slide, which is the first slide in the introduction, and click on Insert. Here, a summary section has been added after the introduction. You can drag it. You can drag the whole section and place it wherever you like. I think I will leave it here because it's right after the table of contents, so it kind of makes sense. And now let's go to slideshow and click from beginning to start the presentation from the beginning. And now let's navigate. So as you can see here, here is the table of contents. And here, to go to the statement section, just click on the thumbnail of the section. And here you can navigate through the slides of this section. And at the end of the slides, it will come back to the summary section. So that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.